Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the recipe books that Happy Planner has come out with and maybe giving you guys some ideas as to how you would be able to use it or make it work for you. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please continue to watch. All right, thank y'all so much for coming back. I appreciate each and every one of you. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the recipe book. Now, I picked this one up back in December of 2023 from Hobby Lobby. I thought it was really cool, but as you can tell, it is pretty much the mid to end of September and I have yet to use it. So I had an epiphany one night and I'm like, you know what? When I think of a recipe book, I think of like my grandma's recipe book, right? Like old school recipes and, you know, recipes that have stayed in the family. And for some reason, just thinking about that, it does not inspire me to use this book. But I had an idea. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I am forever saving and forwarding or sending recipes that I see on social media. Like I see recipes on TikTok and viral recipes. I see Instagram. I'm sending to my husband. He's sending me stuff. And what do I do with it? I just screenshot it and it goes in my phone and I never actually make it. So I thought about it. What if I use my recipe book just to write down the actual recipes so that I can actually make them instead of just saving them? I could free up so much space in my phone if I literally just took it out of my phone. So that's my idea as to how I'll be using this one. There in the 2024 fall release, Happy Planner did release, I believe, another cooking recipe organizer. There was one, I believe, for sweets. Please don't quote me. As well as, I believe, like wine and spirits, like rating them and things like that. So if this book isn't available, and I'm sorry, I did not check, but if it isn't available, then there are some other options. So let's just do a quick flip through. This is a peach color. I think it is super cute and it has plastic discs that have gold glitter in them. So let's just flip through it. So when you first open it up, I love the line art of like the vegetables, but it has a market list, which I think is cool. You do have to rip it off at the top, but you basically, you know, put what you need to pick up from the store for whatever recipe it is, front and back. So that is in the front of your book. Of course, this is your name page where you put your recipes. I'm sorry, the name page where you put your actual name, duh. So I thought that is pretty cool. Over here, you have a common kitchen conversion table, basically, you know, telling you a gallon is 4 quarts, 8 pints, 16 cups, etc. To help you with your measurements. This page is super cute. It has gold foil. It says always find time for the things that make you happy with the lemons. And for this section, this would be your favorites. All of the sections look exactly the same. So I'll go through this first one and then we'll just go through the tabs. Here at the top, you would write your recipe. You would add your ingredients here, your directions on how to make it. Of course, you can rate it. It does have the 5 stars here. You can add notes or check off if it's dairy-free, lactose-free, vegan, vegetarian, gluten-free, or kosher. How many people it serves, what temperature you preheat your oven to, your prep time and your cook time. And you're going to see that for each one. Of course, the vegetables do change, but there's more than enough pages to write down your recipes. So this first section, as I stated, is for your favorites. Your next section is your main dishes. I know for myself, I always see so many recipes and I want to try it. Like, I'm tired of the same food. I don't know about you guys. Like, comment down below if you're tired of eating the same old meals. So I'm like, let's get creative. Like, when I can't think of what to cook, it makes sense to pull this out instead of trying to go back and find a video or remember what they said or what they said I needed. Like, if I have to, I could take this in the grocery store and then like figure it out. But a couple main dishes that I saw that I've saved was like the Marry Me chicken. I keep seeing everyone do that. The birria tacos, which my family loves. There's the viral spaghetti with the marinara sauce and the Alfredo sauce. We have tried that once. We did like it. But honestly, I don't even remember how I made it because I was following a video. Mississippi pot roast. Like there's just so many things that I see out there that now I can either screenshot it and then add it and delete my picture so I can save some space. Like I'm so excited. And at least it makes it more modern, right? And of course you can add your old, your old recipes from your grandma or whatever's been passed down. But like, I think it would be fun to add new, fresh recipes. Like I said, if I can't think of something for dinner or for Saturday, but we don't want to eat out, just dig in my book and find something cool to make. So yeah, so moving along, the next section says laughter is brightest where food is best. And you have your bell peppers and your cutting board and your knife. I don't know if you guys can see that. And as I stated, it is exactly the same. There's tons of space for you to write your recipes. Next is soup and salads. It says, people who love to eat are always the best people. And this is a quote by Julia Child. So you have your line art as well as your vegetables. I know for myself, I love a good soup. I am a soup girl. I don't care that it's summer, winter, like I can eat soup all year round. I know I've made broccoli cheddar soup in the past. The Olive Garden Zuppa Toscano soup is one of my favorites. I did a potato soup in my crock pot last year. I've done lasagna soup. I'm seeing a lot of the sausage tortellini soup that I have not tried yet. So just going through, or, maybe late night. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I go down a rabbit hole late night when I'm supposed to be going to bed. So maybe I can just start screenshotting things to add to like soups and salads. Comment below. Let me know what you guys' favorite recipes are. Maybe I can look those up and add them to my recipe book as well. This section here is for healthy. I, in the past, have joined Weight Watchers. I love, the idea, and I love their program. I lost tons of weight using their program and their app. So this would be really cool to write down some of the recipes. If you are a Weight Watcher person or have used them before, you know that if you do decide that you want to cancel for a little while, any recipe that you had already made in the app is gone. And you won't be able to access it again until you sign up. So maybe you can go in here, write down the recipes you've already made, add your points and all that good stuff, and just record it here. Or of course, Facebook, you name it, TikTok, everybody, there's recipes that you can find. This section is for breakfast. It says always cook with passion. I'm not a breakfast person. I do have an egg allergy, so that eliminates a lot of like breakfast casseroles and stuff. But there's other things that I could find that could be really cool. I've seen a lot of like the viral bagel with like the capers and the cream cheese and salmon. Like they're not just like cream cheese. What do they call it? Cream cheese and lox? Is that what they call it? But like turned up, like with a lot more things. So maybe I could do something along the lines of that. And then you have dessert. I am not a dessert person. Like I'm not a baker. My sister is the baker. She can bake a mean cookie. She designs them, cakes and things like that. So maybe I can make sure she writes some recipes for me in my book. And then the last section that we have is for miscellaneous. I love the avocados, and that would be for anything else. Am I tripping that I did not see appetizers? Hang on, let's go back a little bit. I didn't see appetizers, so maybe that could be what this section is for. I saw a recipe just today for what was it? Pretzel bites. And I thought that was pretty cool. So maybe, if there's something that your family likes, especially like for the holidays, Rice Krispie treats. I love making with my son. You know, sausage cheese balls, things that I've made with my mom or my grandma and my daughter, things like that you can add here. So yeah, I just thought it was really cool. Like I said, just trying to find a way to use it and make it work for my life. I'm sorry, guys. I have literally said a million times, so I apologize for that. It's just my mind is racing and I'm trying to say everything that I want to say. But yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do you have the recipe book? Is this something that you'd be interested in? You know, do you like the idea of maybe writing down recipes and things that you see? I know for myself, I have joined, don't judge me. Y'all, don't judge me. We're friends. Y'all are my people. I've said it before, so don't judge me, okay? I've joined so many groups on Facebook. I joined, and I have to laugh because it's hilarious. It's like the Big Back group, and it's like really good recipes, right? Like stuff we ain't got no business making, you know, really good recipes. I don't know, cinnamon roll, casseroles, but the food looks good, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Maybe I treat myself every once in a while, but I have joined just so many groups on Facebook and they share recipes, and I just think it is just so cool. So comment down below. Am I crazy? Is this something that you would do? Like, I think we should all share. Maybe share your favorite recipe down so maybe someone else could be inspired. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video and just show you how I plan on using this. So as always, I just want to thank you all for spending some time with me today. Don't forget, come on over to Instagram and follow me. My name on Instagram is Change of Plans with Angie, just as it is here on YouTube. Hit that button, let's be friends, and let's have a good time. And of course, over here, don't forget, like, comment, share it with somebody, and subscribe so we can be friends over here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.